So I went from a problem to parts in my hand in like 3 hours. Wow. That's the cool thing about 3D printing. It's like, okay, let's do it. And like on the inside, I'll show you here, on the interior, I did some stuff like the knobs, and I did the visor clips broke, so I printed these out. They came out really nice. So I printed them in blue. Okay. Good. Snap, and I printed this coin holder. Some people want
Sure, I tossed it up in there, and I didn't just didn't open the door. Yeah.
Some people want to have it like glossy, smooth. If they want the shiny look, and you can do that. There's what's called post-processing. They have